Hi Taurus! Kamusta? Welcome back to Pinay Angel Tarot. This is your January 2025 kapalaran. Para sa mga Taurus, general love reading, kaya maaaring mag-resonate o hindi. Tingnan natin ang energies connected sa'yo this time para sa love life mo. Kamusta kayo guys? Happy New Year! Comment present para alam kung nanonood kayo. Kamusta mga Taurus? I hope okay naman kayo dyan. Okay, so kuha tayo ng angel numbers. Ano ang angel message para kay Taurus? Okay, 444 protection. This is your time to take confidence in all that you pursue. The divine universe is working through you and protecting you. Time has come to allow all the doors of opportunity to welcome you with open arms. Affirmation, I feel the loving care of the divine protecting me. I allow myself to pursue growth and opportunity. Wow! So, nasa tamang landas ka. Panahon na ngayon para lakasan mong loob mo sa lahat ng pinupursue mo, pareho to sa love at sa career at sa iba pang aspect ng buhay mo. Tinutulungan ka ni God, tinutulungan ka ng angels mo at pinoprotektahan ka rin. So, maaaring may mga bagay na hindi mo in-expect, pero minsan, protection yan para sa'yo. If sometimes you feel like things are not going your way, marahil ay dahil pinoprotektahan ka or iniiwas ka sa isang sitwasyon na hindi nakakabuti sa'yo, at tinutulungan ka. Ayan. So, hayaan mo daw na i-welcome ka ng mga opportunities kasi napakaraming opportunities para sa'yo ngayon. So, i-grab mo yung mga opportunities na yan or yung sa tingin mo ay gusto mo na mga opportunity at nakakabuti para sa'yo. This is so nice. So, comment, claim protection. Also, comment, claim loving care of the divine. Ayan, yan kasi yung sabi dito eh. I feel the loving care of the divine protecting me. Nag-grow ka, so i-comment mo yung growth and opportunity. Claim growth and opportunity. Okay, isa pa nga, ano pa ang angel message or angel numbers para kay Taurus? 777 alignment, I love this. Your progress is recognized and alignment is here. It is within your reach. The whisper is reminding you to stay the course and feel the source working through you. Your gifts are being recognized. So again, magpatuloy ka lang kasi tama yung ginagawa mo. You are on the right path. Nakakabuti para sa'yo kung ano yung pinupursue mo ngayon. Also, nire-recognize ka. Ibig sabihin, nasa spotlight ka ngayon. Maraming humahanga sa'yo, maraming nakikita yung galing mo, yung talento mo. Affirmation, I blossom and bloom as I use my gifts. All things simply align as I feel the feeling of the divine. I love this. So comment, I blossom and bloom as I use my gifts. Also comment alignment. Okay, grabe sikat ang mga Taurus ngayon. So, from the tarot, yung nasa bottom of the deck, tingnan natin. You have, wow! Magician! You are a manifestor and you are ready. May infinity symbol ka dito. You are co-creating with the universe and you have all the tools. I love this. Parang, I feel like meron kang inaayos sa sarili mo. At handa ka na. Kasi yung bagay na yan na inaayos mo sa sarili mo, magdadala yan ng stability. Kita mo itong wall. Actually, nasa loob siya ng castle eh. I feel like you are building your castle, building your dream life, Taurus. And I just saw 333 angel numbers. Grabe. Manifestor ka. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na gawin mo kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin. And you also have this red na hoodie. It means na you are protecting yourself. You're shielding yourself from outside influences, which is tama lang naman yon, na hindi mo na kailangan ipagsabi kung ano yung mga plano mo. Sa'yo na lang yon. Kasi kaya mo, at kailangan mo din yung energy mo, kailangan mo yung focus mo. And meron din namang sumusuporta sa'yo. Okay. So, yung cards mo dito ay 6 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Swords, 8 of Swords, the World, King of Cups, Ace of Rods, Page of Pentacles. Oh, may tao dito. Nagmamahalan kayo. Mahal mo siya. You are taking a risk for this person. Pero, nagsastruggle kayo eh. May struggle kayo. Pero, alam mo, mahal nyo isa't isa, guys. Both are willing to invest sa isa't isa. May nakita akong commitment or wedding celebration. At naghahanap ka ng kasagutan, nire-ready mo sarili mo. Maraming changes. Umikot yung gulong ng kapalaran dito. So, tingnan mo to, oh. Tingnan mo yung Wheel of Fortune, oh. Nagse-celebrate, oh. So, you might have let go of some people from the past na hindi nag-work out or natapos na yung cycle. Ngayon, ito ka na sa cycle na to. Mukhang nahanap mo na yung nakatadhana sa'yo, yung the one para sa'yo. Kita mo sumasayaw sila. Merong crown. King and Queen, may cups, symbol of celebration, and symbol of love. Yung nakikita ko parang hugis puso yung, ito yung legs. And, alam mo, this is only the beginning. Yan ang sinasabi sa'yo dito, Taurus. Ibig sabihin, marami pang mangyayari pa sa connection na to. So, soulmate mo tong taong to eh. Parang dati, hindi kayo nagpapansinan, pero ngayon, you find each other, and you have love for each other. Yan ang sabi dito eh. Okay, napakaganda o very pure, kulay white na bulaklak. It's a symbol of purity. And also, the way you nurture each other, it brings growth sa isa't isa. So, I feel like, yung love nyo sa isa't isa, it inspires you to work hard. Both are hardworking. May nakikita kong water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Although this can be any sign, air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini energy, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Nasabi ko na pala yun. And also, may konting fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, nag-grow naman na yung tinanim nyo. Lalong tumatatag tong connection na to as time goes by. Also, there's a commitment. Pwede itong wedding or engagement. Oh my gosh. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko eh. Parang merong wedding dito, merong celebration. Medyo malabo pa yung mga bagay-bagay. Ibig sabihin, nire-ready mo pa. Okay? Wedding plans, yung naririnig ko. And also, naghahanap ka ng mga kasagutan, mga impormasyon. Grabe, so nice naman. Okay? So, not necessarily literal na kasal. Yung iba sa inyo ay energetically, yun yung nararamdaman nyo na dadating ang panahon at kayo ay ikakasal din naman sa taong yan. You are really manifesting it. Nasa point ka na ng life mo na masasabi mo na you really want someone to settle down with. So, hindi perfect ang connection na to. May mga problems. At kailangan mong kilalanin yung sarili mo. Kasi may nagbago sa'yo eh. Itong 8 of Swords with the World. Okay, takpan natin kasi wala siyang damit. It's showing me here na you were triggered and then you had to transform yourself. May kailangan kang i-end na cycle eh. You have to sacrifice or you have to do sacrifices para mag-workout to kasi gusto mo to, gusto ng puso mo to. Slowly but surely daw. Ayan oh, Page of Pentacles. I feel like nagkaroon kayo ng conflict recently and this time, it's like you're saying sorry sa kung ano man yung naging misunderstanding or tampuhan or conflict na nangyari. At kaya mo ginagawa yan kasi gusto mo ayusin. And kita mo yung one dito, merong nagsasprout na mga leaves. It means na yung mga pinaplano nyo ay talagang you can really see na mangyayari. Although, andun yung feeling na marami pang kailangan gawin, kailangan isikasuhin. Siguro feeling mo kailangan mo pang kilalanin yung person mo, kailangan yung kilalanin yung isa't isa. When you are dealing with each other, kailangan magkaroon ng peace and harmony. Mahal mo tong taong to eh. Hindi ka nga, actually sa nakikita ko, hindi ka nagre-reklamo eh. Inahabaan mo yung pasensya mo kasi you have gained maturity. Or siguro ganun talaga yung ugali mo, Taurus, na kaya mo magtiis. Kasi nakikita mo yung value ng taong to sa buhay mo. Okay. So, siya naman, yung energy ng person mo dito, this is, mabait siya eh, hardworking siya, gusto niya mag-compromise sa'yo, gusto niya talaga mag-workout kayo, kaya gagawin niya lahat. Kung dati, non-committal siya, ngayon nakikita ko dito na gusto niyang panindigan yung tinatawag na commitment, gusto niya ipaglaban. I'm hearing like may mga promises na siya sa'yo at gusto niya i-honor yung promises na yon. At inisip niya kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung makakabuti sa inyong dalawa pareho. This person is very serious in a sense na talagang very contemplative. Kinoconsider niya lahat ng angulo. Kinoconsider niya yung iniisip mo, yung nararamdaman mo. So, very kind and loving person yung nakikita ko. Also, matalino tong taong to. Maswerte ka naman sa kanya kasi talagang kinoconsider ka niya. Although, minsan, feeling niya dito na wala siyang kaalam-alam. So, siguro, dun nanggagaling yung conflict. Kasi kita mo yung malalaking clouds. Parang clouded siya minsan eh. Yung iba sa inyo, merong bisyo, nag-yosi, smoking. Mausok. Smoking or vaping or kung ano man yan. Or any kind of addiction, pwede rin. So, this is someone na parang feeling niya dito wala siyang kaalam-alam, kaya nalilito siya minsan eh. Nagkukos ng stress sa kanya. So, siguro yun yung misunderstanding nyo. Yung, ayaw niya kasi ng feeling na parang wala siyang alam. Inisip lang kasi baka niloloko na siya. Alam mo yun, siguro ayaw niya maging paranoid. Okay. So, ito na nga, wala siyang nakikita, malamang LDR to. Ayan, nakapiring yung mata eh. So, inisip niya, ano na kayang ginagawa mo dyan? Ang layo-layo mo pa naman. Ayan o, the world card, LDR. Okay? Although yung iba hindi naman LDR, pero this is the kind of person na gusto niya, nakikita niya lahat. So, malamang yan. Gusto niya palagi kayong magka-video call kung LDR kayo. And then, wow. Unconditional love. Parang kita mo yung cup, oh. Offer niya sa'yo eh. Parang sinasabi niya dito, girl, ito yung offer ko sa'yo, mahal kita, tanggap mo ba? So siguro nga, nagbabalak mag-propose kung hindi pa nag-propose itong taong to. Also, there's a strong attraction, magnetic attraction. And, kakaiba ka eh, iba ka daw. O yun yung nakikita niya sa'yo, iba ka. So, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon na din siya ng past relationship at nakikita niya yung kung gaano ka ka-special. Iba yung pagtingin niya sa'yo. Okay. So, wow, sweet naman. Parang, this is admiration. Na-admire ka niya talaga. Alam mo, pag nakatingin siya sa'yo, parang nai-inlove siya. Nai-inlove siya pag nakikita ka niya and parang nahihiya. Parang shy. Parang, I'm hearing boyish. I don't know. Sheepish. Yun yung narinig ko eh. Parang little boy na nahihiya. Sheepish, not boyish. Sheepish. Yung parang parang binata na nagsisimula palang manligaw ng babae. Parang hiyang-hiya siya. Parang natotorpe medyo konti. Okay. At sinasabi niya dito, magustuhan kaya niya yung bibigay ko sa kanya. Parang gano'n yung iniisip niya eh. Tatanong siya kung magugustuhan mo ba yung offer niya sa'yo. At vocal siya, very vocal, very talkative, or Yeah, ganun yung nakita ko dito sa taong to. And also, parang gusto niya to make sure na magugustuhan mo siya, na he looks good. Alam mo yun, gusto niyang makita mo yung best niya. Something about puno. Ano kaya meron sa puno? Okay. Alright. Alam mo, kinikilig ako sa reading and I feel that this connection is really special. So, congrats for that. This is a very good reading for you. Okay. And I feel so much inspiration sa inyo pareho ng taong to. Remarkable. Oh my gosh! Kita mo yung ring? So, wedding bells are ringing. Notice everything remarkable about your relationships. Grabe ah. Okay, nag-flip to. Moment. Wow! Ang cute. So, siguro mahilig kayong mag-coffee together. Or mahilig kayong mag-holding hands. Think of a special moment that brought you so much joy with your partner. I feel like you really cherish the moments that you spend na magkasama kayo. Oh wow! Love! Oh my gosh! Bakit kinikilig ako sa reading na to? Comment kayo yung mga nagre-resonate. Comment, claim love. Comment, love conquers all. Para ma-claim yung itong energy na to. Oh my gosh! 11-11, guys! This is a divine union. Baka soulmate or twin flame. 11-11 is an important number for twin flames. It symbolizes the harmony and balance of soul counterparts. I love this. Learn. It's not perfect. Sinasabi dito, natututo kayong dalawa sa isa't isa. Let love show you how to learn from each other. Ayan. Grabe! Love this reading! So, gusto natin malaman, anong magiging outcome nitong connection na to? Magkakatuluyan. Well, sa totoo lang, straight to the point naman tayo sa mga energies na lumabas sa reading na to. At oo, ramdam ko na magkakatuluyan itong connection na to. Pero kukuha tayo ng outcome cards. Okay, tingnan natin. Anong outcome? Wow, the Chariot. Oh my gosh! The Seven of Cups. Wow. Alam mo, sabi dito, if you pursue this connection, it will open many doors, many opportunities for you. Oh my gosh! Bakit? Sobrang kilig tong reading na to. Taurus. I love this reading for you guys. Although sa ngayon medyo malabo pa yung mga opportunities na yan, pero magbubukas yan. Okay? I-claim nyo na. I-claim nyo na magbubukas to mga opportunity na to. And it's full of excitement. Parang nisip mo na how to build the structure, how to build the future with this person. For now, itong Chariot is andito. This is the energy of pagiging palaban. So, baka meron kang Cancer sa chart mo, or yung person mo, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This is a very emotional energy, emotional connection. Grabe! And I can see also so much attraction and passion. Grabe. Wala na akong masabi. I can see solid foundation, building. Binibuild nyo ngayon at ibibuild nyo. Grabe! So, awardan na kita. Bibigyan na kita ng corona. Ito, may corona na siya actually. Kasi napakaganda ng reading mo. Wala akong masabi, guys. Okay. So, tignan natin ang advice sa'yo. Anong advice galing sa universe? I mean, mensahe pala. Mensahe galing kay universe. For the Taurus. Mensahe for Taurus. Alright. I surrender to a power greater than me. I love this. May pa-butterfly. So, you cannot control everything. Just surrender to God. God knows. God is always with you, within you, and with you. So, in case of any problem, surrender mo kay God at humingi ka din ng guidance sa angels mo. I love this. One more. Okay. Attack. Ito yung nasa bottom of the deck. Gustong lumabas eh. Attack Pain, fear, judgment, and any form of separation are merely calls for help. Meron nga kasing LDR dito. Meron din dahil sa busy kayo sa trabaho ninyo, kaya hindi kayo pwedeng magkita or hindi kayo pwedeng magkasama. Kaya nagkakaroon ng struggle. So, ang sabi dito, natural lang yan. Hindi mo kailangan i-overthink or hindi mo kailangan, alam mo yun, di mo kailangan ma-overwhelm. Although, ang na-feel ko dito is yun na na-overwhelm ka kasi may mga problems or kayong dalawa pareho yung na-overwhelm. Pero sabi dito, those are merely calls for help. So, ibig sabihin, you are good, you are okay. It's only a part of life na nangyayari or kailangan pagdaanan. Pero you are good, you are okay. In fact, you are doing well. Okay, another one. Another angel, sorry, not angel, but another message from the universe. Joy is the ultimate creator. I love this. Kapag ikaw ay masaya, you can create something. You can create many things. So be joyful, be happy. You can enjoy this relationship, this connection. Love connection. Ayan, so nice. Okay, guys. And I just saw 222 angel numbers. That's all. Wait lang. Ano to? Gusto ko sa'yo lumabas eh. So, the moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. Meron gustong magka-baby sa inyo, guys. Realign with love, maliliwanagan ka rin kung paano susolusyonan yung mga pangarap nyo. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi dito. Yeah. Oo, gusto magka-baby. Lumabas na. Okay. So, again, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Kung nag-resonate kayo, kailangan nyo ng more information, you can book a private reading. Message kayo sa Viber or sa WhatsApp para mas mabilis. Nasa description box po yung contact details. Tingnan nyo na lang dyan. Check out my Instagram if you want to start your crystals journey. May mga crystal bracelets. Napakaganda ng mga energies. Kailangan mo to for the year 2025. Tingnan mo naman. Alagang-alaga ko itong mga crystals na to, guys. So, marami at iba-iba. So, message na lang kayo. Tingnan nyo na lang sa Instagram ko. Also, pa-follow na din po Pinay Angel Tarot sa Instagram kasi kailangan ko yung support nyo. And also, by the way, marami at iba-iba yung benefits. Merong pang-attract ng love, attract money, wealth, prosperity, abundance. Ngayon, ang yung suot ko ngayon, gusto ko lang i-mention, we have Moonstone, Jade, Rose Quartz, Peridot, Yellow Calcite, Mother of Pearl, Angelite, Lapis Lazuli, Pyrite, Kyanite, Red Garnet, Obsidian. Okay, yan yung mga meron ako ngayon. So, you can combine. Ayan. So, punong-puno ng prayers and special mantras so that you can feel the best version of the crystal. Ayan. So, thank you again, Taurus. I love you guys. Have a good day. God bless you. Stay safe. See you again soon. Bye!